Friends in our Python tutorial. So guys, in our previous video we have started variables and strings. We have defined how to declare a variable. So as you know that Python is a very famous language, and the main reason for it because it is using dynamically typed variables. Okay, that means whenever you are going to declare a variable and you are assigning it as a integer value, then it will act as a integer variable. If you are going to assign a string value to a variable, then it will act a string variable. If you are going to assign as a decimal value, then it will act as a decimal variable. Okay, so this is the biggest advantage of Python. Okay, so here what we are going to do, like and assigning some values to it, that is Ryan. That means that is a this variable will act as a string variable. Now I am going to say age and saying that is 24. That means age variable will act as a integer variable. So last time we have seen how to concat to string variable and add to integer variable. So here we are going to concat two different type of variable. One is your string, another is your int. So I'm saying that for example description, like that f name plus age, then I want to say age plus then age, that is a variable. If I'm going to run this, then what will happen? Then you can see you will get an error, type error, cannot convert int object to string implicitly. That means you can't add a integer variable to your string variable. You need to convert it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert it as a string str. Okay, and then execute it again. So you can see there is no error. If I want to print this, then what I need to do, description, okay, and just execute this. Now you can see Ryan age equal to 24. So you can see if you are working around multiple variables where you need to concat two different types of variables, then you have to convert their data type also. Okay, so guys, that's all for this tutorial. So guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel to learn more on Python, and please submit your comments and your queries if you are facing any issues in Python, so we can post some video related that kind of issue and provide some solution to you. Thank you for watching us.